better. Since you are giving proper explanation
Ah,
based on your past experience, that will be very, very useful for us.
மெயினா அது என்னன்னா நம்ம மெம்பர்ஸுக்கு இட் ஷுட் பி யூஸ்ஃபுல். ஆஸ் அ ப்ரொஃபஷனல் இட் ஷுட் பி யூஸ்ஃபுல். தட் வாஸ் மை ஐடியா. வேற ஒன்றும் இல்லை. தட் இஸ் வாட்.
So actually, for our professional people, some of the people may use Excel, but not much. So once they learn this one, there can be possibility of doing their activity within short time.
Oh yes, பண்ணலாம். ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளமே கிடையாது. We can do that. Mandana what is your expectation?
Sir, this session are you recording?
I am just recording. Yeah, இன்னைக்கு அதையும் ட்ரை பண்ணி we will try to do that. That also I will do. Right now it is being recorded. இல்ல சார், லாஸ்ட் செஷன் மிஸ்டர் வடிவேல் சொன்னாரு. நான் வந்து somehow I missed. ஏன்னா லாஸ்ட் செஷன்ல we were only trying to admit people. அதுலயே டைம் போயிடுச்சு. இதுல கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ண முடியல. Now I am recording it, this session.
Very good. And somebody who couldn't join, please we can share the video.
That is true. Vadivel, it's now okay, and we can give another 2-3 minutes. We are 13 people right now. I think others may join.
Okay, sir. We may continue, sir. Now 6.05.
Yeah, I have some new people like Mr. Naresh, Ashara, Malkar, Vijay Anand, Harish is a student, Arun last time he came, Jayesh, Harivanandan was there, Krishnan. So we are seeing some new faces. மற்றவங்கள ஜாயின் பண்ணுவாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். We will see.
Okay.
This will be a series of workshops with a gap with a 45-minute session or 2 sessions in a day. That is what we are planning. So what we will do, I will walk you through a particular workbook which has got a dashboard within it. So that is how we will work. So what I will do, I will explain to you how the dashboard works and how we can create a dashboard like that. I only request our friends, whoever is attending, to come out with their own requirement of a dashboard. If they are able to come, then it becomes very, very easy. We can take an actual case study and then try to do it after my course is over. So this is what I was thinking that we will do. So let me take you to a dashboard right now. I will be sharing my screen once I am onto the dashboard. Just tell me whether you are able to see the screen once I am sharing the screen. Okay. Yeah, is the screen visible to you, all of you?
Yes, sir, it is visible to us.
Visible.
Yeah, it is visible. Good, very good.
Visible.
So this is what we will finally do. Okay, this is what we will finally do. So let's have a look at it. This is a particular dashboard on a customer dashboard which talks about the customer name and the customer contact numbers, address, and all those details as you see. Let's have a look at it. So once I give this particular, this one, customer name, all other things I should get automatically. Okay. Is the rectangle visible? I am drawing a rectangle. Okay. All that I'll have to do is I'll have to give the customer name. I'll have to select. I will get all these things, and then I will get this also. What is this total order count, and what was the average freight, and what is the last order, and one more thing also you will have. You can get month wise how is he performing, and then we can have all other details like his complete individual orders we can have. Is that clear to you? Now, right now we have one customer. Now let's get into some other customer, whether we will be able to get it. We'll go to William Kala. Now the moment you can see William Kala, the graph has changed. All other these details have changed. Order count has changed, and all is order history. This is the order history. So now we will take somebody else. Now he has got more number of orders as you are able to see. Then here you can have only April if you want, or only August if you want, or September, or for the whole thing. Like this we can select. Now this will be our working. Is that clear to all of you? We will this this is a dashboard which I was talking about. We will do this dashboard. So this will be the starting point for this workshop. Now the on the first 4 sessions on last Saturday and Sunday, I did clear some of the things on that day. So let me just have a where, if it is possible, let me just rush through those options. We talked about our own template creation last week. We talked about Indian way of punctuation, then default font size, how to personalize our workbook, how to use the autocorrect options, then operating your own directory, language, cursor direction, and recent workbooks, zero value suppression, having ribbons, quick access, autofill. All these things we have seen as a model last time we had seen. Now we will go further. Now this particular question I had asked last time also to someone. Now where none of these things you can work. I'm pressing, nothing you will be able to work. Only this will work. This particular, there are only 2 things which will work in this. I will show you what are all those 2 things. When you have a dashboard, only you can change this particular, your cursor will work here and your cursor will work in this place. Nowhere else the cursor will work. Just have a look at it. This is how it will be. Nowhere else it will work. So I can't enter anything here. Everything is now locked in this worksheet because everything is going to be automatically brought from somewhere else. So I have only option of changing here, and then I have option of changing in these places if there is any value. If there is no value, it is again masked. I think, is that clear? Now my first question, people, where is these data, all these data, where are they? That's my question. Can somebody answer me? One more thing, I was talking to participants. Acha, Vadivel sir, Mr. TGS is waiting in the lobby.
Sir, I'm admitting.
Yeah, please admit. And yeah, it is in a database. I fully agree. Now, what I want to ask you is, where is that database? That's my question again. There is Excel has got one particular option. Suppose you go and right click here, you have got hide, unhide. So when I go and unhide here, I have got one more tab which I will unhide. Then I have another tab which I will unhide. Is that clear? Now, initially I showed you only the dashboard. Suppose you are going to present to management or you are giving to a management people, then all that you will have to do is you finally hide these 2 tabs and then you will only give the customer dashboard tab. That is what I did. Now, the basic information comes from order info, and order info ka there will be a pivot table we will have. Pivot, we will come to that later. Now, let us get into this order info. What all it has got? It has got an order ID, It has got the customer name, employee ID, order date, required date, ship via, order, ship name, ship address, ship city, what is the postal code, ship country, all those things are available. This is how it goes. Now, we have one more, customer info. So there are two tabs initially. One is customer info, another is order info. Now we have company name, customer ID, contact, who is the contact person in that company, what is his title, all these address and all those things. If you really look at it, let us take the first Alfred. We will go to the dashboard and we will select only that Alfred. Now you can see the all the addresses is a Germany in Berlin. So you get the Germany, Berlin, all these things. Suppose you take the second one, it will become Mexico. You take the second one, it becomes Mexico, right? So the whole thing changes according to the customer whom we have now selected. Now coming to the customer, you have got a database, as somebody was telling. This database comes from many places, right? So now we have to clean this database. Now I have got a small choice. I will come to that. Now, is it possible for you to download a file in case I give a link, the same file, and then will you be able to work along with me? Is it possible? What is your viewpoint?
Okay, sir, it can work.
Is it possible? Suppose I give a, let me see whether this is the file. It is available in my Google Drive, G Drive. If this file can be downloaded in by you people, then I thought that it will be like a case study so that you can travel along with me. Let us not worry about timing. We are not in a race. So this way you will have a real hands-on. As I told you when we discuss amongst our people, we didn't want a webinar when I speak and all others listen. I just thought that we should have a hands-on, and then everybody comes to the same knowledge level as all others, including me. Is that agreeable to all of you, please?
Yeah.
Thank you, Prasad.
Let me give you about 2-3 minutes for you to download everything, please. That will be much better. I'm just waiting. Once you people have told that you have downloaded,
Yes, Prasad.
we will start. Just I'll take 2 minutes. Are we able to download?
No, sir, it's a bit slow, but it is downloading.
Yeah, because I have the count. confirmation from Mr. Aniket and Jayesh. What I suggest is once you have downloaded, please open this Excel worksheet and keep that tab, and then come back and just see what is being discussed, and then we will again take a 2-3 minutes gap, go back to your worksheet and try to do it. Yes, somebody is telling me something. Can I? Yes, please. Yes, Mr. Naresh, you are telling me something.
Yeah, actually, how to download?
No, you'll have to go on, click it only, click that link. It will go to my, this one,
Okay.
Satya Prakash, waiting in the lobby. What do you will, sir? Can you just take in Mr.
Yeah.
Satya Prakash Keshri?
Yes, sir.
He is waiting
Yeah,
in the lobby.
admitted.
Ah,
Yeah, admitted.
what do you will, sir? Have you downloaded it?
Yeah.
Now I'm on the job, sir. I'll download.
Yeah. See, otherwise it will be only just listening, which may not be a very exciting experience for all of us.
Good.
Mr. Prasad, I suggest putting it on the desktop if there is a laptop so that it can be accessed whenever we want.
Yeah, if others have that facility, it will be nice. If you have a desktop, then you can download it on the desktop and work with that desktop and then continue attending this session. So even if
But what about those who are coming on mobile? Because I see many people on mobile.
Sir, mobile, we suggest this is not a webinar, sir. So my request to everybody that it's better if they are able to come to a desktop or a laptop, sir. Because I think
Sir, I
we really
downloaded
want
from my
to.
mobile and shared it to my email ID, sir.
That you can do.
Yes, sir.
Because sir, mobile we will not be able to see. The screen will be very small and we can't have an hands-on on a mobile. That is the issue. Nothing else.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If at least majority of you have done it, please give me a confirmation. We will go ahead.
Yes, sir. Downloaded, sir.
Downloaded. Okay. Others, please.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Let me continue the one. Now, first of all of you must be knowing when you are scrolling up and down, the headings go off. So, how do we anchor the heading? All of you must be knowing. This is a very simple, this one. How do you do that?
Please.
So, which menu you will have to
View
go?
freezing.
Yeah, we will have to go to view. Then,
View freezing.
we say freeze spans. We have done it, right? So, first of all, let us do it on both the worksheets. Freeze span. Now, what do you see? What is so striking in this particular contact name? Can somebody tell me this particular place? What do you see?
Where you are talking about the contact name?
All are individuals' name, but it's not Indian name. All are foreigners.
Okay. See, the thing is, I am not able to get Indian case study, so I have taken the other case study only. Oh, sorry. Original. Here, have a look at it now. Again, I am doing it. Your observation is absolutely right, but something else is to be observed now. What is observed here now? Can somebody tell me? First, we will have to, whenever you want to have a dashboard, the data is to be clean, the data is to be made presentable. So what is not presentable in column C now? One is middle name missing, yes. Okay, middle name missing.
And caps.
Starting with caps.
Yeah, what happens if there is a first name, last name, either there is no capital either in the first name or there is no capital either in the last name in all places. Is it clear to all of you? Look at this particular thing. This one, Thomas Hardy. If you are able to look at it at this point.
Yeah.
So Thomas Hardy, then Maria Anders. So this is a problem. Now, first of all, we will have to set this right. So how do we set this right? If people know, you can share with me because you know both ways. If there is a better way of doing it, we will do it. Any idea? Anyone, please? Anyone?
We can use the text function and then we can change the case.
We can take a
Use the text function.
okay.
And then there is a case. I think all case or something we can take.
No, all case I don't want. I want only the wherever the names are there, only the first one to be capital.
Yeah. So these, I think there are a couple of options available with case. We will select one of them.
Okay, text I have covered last 4 classes I covered. Now let us do one thing. We will insert a column here. We will now insert a column here, and then we take the column as temp 1 for the time being. We will name the column as temp 1, and let us get into a function called proper. P-R-O-P-E-R. Now Excel, if you really look at it, there is one particular option which all of you must be using, I believe, and it is this option, FX. What does that does? So even if you do not know the formula, FX tells you how to do the job. So we will go and click this FX now. FX tells you what is the formula. So it is a grammar, it is a syntax. So in my case, what do I want proper to be available? I want this place to be available as proper. Is it, am I making clear? I gave a verb formula called equal to proper, then which is to be made as proper? I wanted the particular cell. Now you have a look at it. Maria Anders has become in a proper form. Is it clear, or should I have to do it again once more?
Yes.
Clear, sir.
Clear? Now, there are how many rows are there? I don't know. The rows could be about 92 rows. Okay, fine. So 91 data rows are there. Now I want this to be totally copied to all the rows. There are 2 ways of doing it. One is copy this particular cell and then select the range and then you paste it. What is the easiest way of doing it? Can somebody tell me?
Drag it.
Pardon me?
Drag it down.
Drag it, and further easier way.
Sir, you click it in the down in the D column itself. If you double click the down, so it will go come automatically.
Absolutely. This is what we will have to do. This is the fastest and easiest way of doing. Thanks, Mr. Vadivel. Let's for people who wouldn't have used this, there are two, 3 ways of doing everything. One is copy, then come back here, select the complete range, then paste. That is one. Another one is take this one and drag it fully That is also slightly, it will take more time. Whereas this is the fastest way of doing it. Double click at that. This is the handle. At anywhere when you have this plus sign, a bold plus sign when you will get it. Now what happens? Everything has got properly done. Anna Mose has come out properly. You know, Yang Wang has come out properly. Is that correct? Now, but Yang Wang is not Yang Wang. What is Yang Wang? Yang Wang, what is inside is proper C15. So if I try to do something with Yang Wang, it will not work properly. Whereas I want Yang Wang as only Yang Wang. So what I can do for that? I don't want this formula. I want like this. So what do I do? Do I have any answer, please?
No idea.
What do I do in this?
No idea. Really.
So we saw it last week when we did this. So we will copy this complete thing. We will copy this and we will go back to contact. Then we will have a paste special. When you have a space special or here, it is paste or it is values only. So you paste only the values. Now if you look at it, here there will be a formula. Here the values are gone. What he did, people could understand. If you simply copy this and then put it here, it will only give the formula again. When we proceed, it is going to create a problem. So I copied these cells and then went for a space special. I went. That is what we did. Is that clear?
Clear.
Okay. Now, can I request you people to do this yourself? Whoever is having that worksheet, is it possible? It will only take about 2 minutes. Can we have a hands-on by all of you, by yourself, please? Can we?
Yeah, done.
You will have to give the formula. Then you will have to ensure that it goes to all. Then copy that. Come back to contact name, first cell, paste special, values only. This is what we were supposed to do. Welcome, Jalaluddin. Jalaluddin. Oh, I think we'll have to admit.
Mr. Prasad,
what
even
is
in the
your-
normal,
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
even in the normal paste, if you put value, then it will come, no?
Normal paste, sir. No, if you say Control C, Control V, then it will not work. Normal paste is Control V only. So the moment you do a normal paste, it will only paste the formula. Now, what will be the formula? Maria and us, what was the formula here? The formula was
Proper
C2.
Proper.
By chance you copy here as a Control V, then it will become. I'll just show you, sir, what happens for the benefit of others. Now you see Alt key has come. Why? Because the formula was proper C2. Here the formula is proper B2. Only the formula will get done. That is why we should do a paste special. Is that clear, Gopal sir?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Somebody is
But,
waiting on the.
Yeah. Actually, when I go to paste, in the paste values, if I press that 1, 2, 3, the same result comes. Instead of going to paste special.
But it is always better, sir, we specifically give as values because 1, 2, 3 is for numbers. So
Yeah, but
you will have to take care. Because he has given 5 options for 5 different things. That is what.
Okay.
Okay, sir, somebody wants a repetition. Okay, so let me fine, because already it is done. See, what we will have to do is, on the temporary, you will have to write this formula proper C2 and copy it everywhere. Then Control C, come back here, right click, paste special, paste options, paste values. Sir, that 1, 2, 3 is values only. Gopal sir, 1, 2, 3 is values. Okay, is it done?
That
is
is
it
what.
done by 1, 2, 3 is values, sir. You are right. Is it done by everybody? Can we move? Can we move further?
Yeah. I think we
Yes, sir.
can
We
move.
can move. Can move. Done it.
Now we don't want this temporary anymore, isn't it? Because it has completely lost
We
its.
can delete.
We will simply delete it. We will again have it, but
Yeah.
then for the time being, we let it. Now nothing has happened to this place. Okay, now this is done. Now order information ship via. We will come here. Now what is happening? This ship via is having 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and all. So let us say you don't understand this 1, 2, 3 and all. Am I right?
Right?
We don't have a name. Now we want to give a name. The first one we did proper. Then second one we will come here, and then we want to make it as a different. So let us take it. We will insert a column. We will again make it as.
There is a disturbance. I think somebody has put on the mic and talking.
Can others please switch off your mics? All of you. Participants, can everybody please put off your mics? Sir, am I audible now?
Yeah, still some disturbance is coming.
I don't
Sir,
know.
you are audible, but there is some.
Yeah, somebody is speaking on a mobile, or so they will have to. I don't know, because I said everybody should go on mute, except whoever is going to speak. Okay, I think it should be now better. Now,
Sir, I have muted all, so you can continue now.
yeah. Now we want some names to be available here. Let us. We want to give some names. How do we give a name now? That is this one, and we will go to this. One more thing also we will do. We will have one more thing. What we will do is, we will take everything as upper also in one of this one. Suppose company name. What you have a look at the dashboard. Dashboard had a company name with all capitals. This is this one. So I want the company name to come in capitals. Everything like customer ID or whatever it is. Now let's go to company name. All capital we will do. Again, we will have a. We will give a name as temp1. Now we will make all capital. How do I do that? Somebody was already told me the solution. Am I audible, please?
Yeah.
Yeah, very much.
Okay. So
Okay,
how
very
do we
much.
make this as upper? So we use the word upper. Again, you go back and ask for the syntax. Like proper, we have got an upper. Here also the grammar is, it gives you a complete hands-on experience on how to do this. You want upper of what? You want upper of this. So you click. Now you have got upper of everything. So now I want the whole thing to be made upper. So what I am supposed to do now? I go here. I got a, see, you have got this one handle and this is another one. So I double click here. Now I got everything. Now what is the next step I should do? Somebody? This step is clear, no? Like proper, I made upper. Copy,
So
Copy and paste button. Paste button.
copy, and I go here, right click,
special.
paste special. I come here and then I paste it. Once I paste it, now it is ready, everything. Now I don't need this column. I delete. Because no, you will have to do this step. Otherwise, what will happen? We may miss at the end. So all of you, can you please do this step also, please? It will only take about two minutes maximum. Can you please do this step? Yeah, Mr. Aniket, what is that free tool you are telling? Single click. Can you just unmute your mic and say, please? Mr. Aniket?
Mr. Prasad, very good.
Yeah, you said that there is one free tool to do this one single click. Can you please tell me what is that? So that we will all learn, please. Because I was only trying to share what I have come to know. So there must be better ways of doing it. So we can take that. DJ sir, you also have something to say? Please go ahead.
No, simple paste is okay, no?
No, simple paste will not be okay, sir. Simple paste will paste the formula I just now shown. I will again explain. What will happen when you simple paste, it will go and create a problem. You will not only paste the value, otherwise it will again paste the formula only, which will become wrong. I will just show you what happens. I will just redo that. 1 second. Now I have upper. If I know how to write the formula, I straight away write. Now let us say you want to take this, copy this, only one cell I am taking, and go and simply paste. Now you see, both places it has become reference. Why? Because it is now trying to find out a column before A. There is nothing. If there is something, then it will give that value. So simple paste will not work. All of you please remember this. Whenever you do anything, a simple paste is not going to be the option. Simple paste will create problem for you. Is that clear, TGS?
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
You will have to copy and paste values only. There are last 4 session I was talking about copy and paste special 5 options I have already talked. Maybe some other time we will again redo that. Unfortunately, last week I have missed recording the session. So that is why paste special option is very, very important. So that is what we have used. Now, have everybody done this? Company name all in capital you have done it, please?
Done.
Okay. Shall we proceed now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We will now go to this one. What is that? Your ship via. Ship via is a ship company's name. Now, there are only...
Go to the order info.
Yeah, we are in order info, sir. Yeah, sure. Sorry. We are in order info. And you are able to see there are only 3 shipping companies the database has. Okay. So in these 3 shipping companies, we will have to work. Now, if you go to the dashboard, I'll get back to the dashboard. Go to the dashboard here. Now shipper. This is that ship via this place. What I am asking you to have a look at. This one is this place. United package. Are you able to see the red circle? What I did? Sir, Mr. Vishnu is waiting in the lobby, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, the United package. We want this to appear instead of 1, 2, 3. There is a United package, there is a Federal shipping, there is a Speedy Express. Suppose these three only we want. We don't want 1, 2, 3 to come. So how do I achieve it? So what are they? We have United package, Federal shipping, Speedy Express, or whatever name we want, we will take, because it is our Excel worksheet. So there is nothing hard and fast to it. Now, how do I change the names? 1 means this, 2 means this, 3 means this. How do I do? That is my next this one, cleaning operation of the Excel worksheet. How do you do that? Anybody knows about this? You have already done? Anyone? Or
Should we create a separate table giving
sir,
the
you
1,
can
2,
create
3
a
and name?
separate, yeah, you can create a separate table and have a VLOOK for that. But if it is going to be only 4 values, let us say VLOOK and all, we go for hundreds and thousands of rows. Okay. Whereas if it is only 4 values, 5 values, that is a very simple way of doing it. So that is what we will discuss now. Can I?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Now the verb is, it is called choose. The verb is, it is called choose. Now what choose does? So choose does a index number. What do you want to choose? From where you want to choose? What is that number? And what should be the value of 1? What should be the value of 2? Like that, it does. Okay, sir. Now, is that clear?
Yes.
This is the, sorry.
Yes.
Oh, this will be over in another 5 minutes. Okay, fine. We will do this and then break for some time. Now, where is the value available here? It is a number. Where is this number in our case? Where is this number? This will work only for numbers. All of you please note. Where is the number? Where is the
F2.
data available?
F2.
F2. So I go here, F2. So let me call it as, give me some names, please. At least this we can give an Indian name. Please give me.
Hari sir.
Yes. Huh?
Hari sir.
Some shipping companies. FedEx I will give. It is also working in India. Okay, FedEx. Then what is the next one? Yes, yeah. We have only 4 minutes before the session closes this time.
Blue dot.
Blue dot. Yeah, you are right. Then one more. Let's say Amazon for the time being. Yeah, go ahead. I didn't get the name.
DHL.
DHL.
Roastbound, sir.
Yeah, DHL. Now, can you see? Moment I wrote the formula F2, what is available here? What has come now? Are you able to read? There is an FedEx is available here. Are you able to see where my cursor goes? That is because F2 has got 1. So it has become FedEx. Now I will okay it. Now the same formula. Now the formula is this. If you as you progress faster, you yourself can write the formula. But please remember, you will have to remember to put a double quote at the beginning, double quote at the end. Sometimes we forget all these things. So it is always better we go to the formula, take the formula guidance and then do this job. It becomes easy for you. I don't know how many of you are using this facility. This is a wonderful facility of Excel, so you should use it. Now the same logic, I double click everything. 1 means FedEx, 2 means Blue Dot, 3 means DHL, 3 means DHL. It has come. Now, same thing, I copy this, go here, go to
Will you paste?
paste to special, do this. Now I have replaced 1, 2, 3 with now you just see once I made 1, 2, 3 all are become wrong because there is no number here. So I don't need this column. I simply go and delete the column and then I save the worksheet now. My friends, I think at the break time you can do this and then we will meet after 15 minutes. Any question on this? Anyone has any question, please, on this so far?
No, nothing. Thank you.
I request, we are 20 people. I hope all the 20 people come back after 15 minutes. Okay. So thank you
Okay,
very
sir.
much for being with me. We will meet after 20 minutes. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.